Hey, welcome to SaaS Talk. This is Sunny once again, and today we are exploring the world of free online AI videos editing software. If you are a budding content creator or just looking to edit some fun videos, these tools are perfect for you. So let's jump right in. First up, we have Kapwing. Kapwing is a fantastic online video editor that leverages AI to making your editing process smoother. It is user-friendly and perfect for quick edits and creative projects. One of the coolest features is the auto-subtitle generations, which saves you tons of time when adding captions to your videos. Plus, it has a meme generator, video resizer and more, making it a versatile tool for various needs. Next on our list is InVideo. InVideo is a powerful tool that offers a lot of features for free. Its AI-powered templates help you create stunning videos in minutes. You can choose from thousands of templates and the AI will assist in customizing them with your content. It also offers automated text-to-speech, making it easy to add voiceovers to your videos. Next on our list is Magisto. Magisto uses AI to turn your raw footage into polished videos. It's perfect for social media content and personal projects. The AI analyzes your footage, selects the best parts and adds music and effects to create professional-looking video. It's like having a personal video editor at your fingertip. Fourth on our list is Clipchamp. Clipchamp is a free online video editor with a range of AI features that simplify video creations. It offers an auto-subtitle features, a voiceover tool, and a stock library of videos and musics. Clipchamp's interface is intuitive, making it easy for anyone to create high-quality videos. And finally, we have Animoto. Animoto is great for creating beautiful video scripts. Its AI-driven templates help to create videos for various occasions from marketing to personal events. You can drag and drop your photos and videos into the templates, and the AI will handle the rest. It's perfect for creating a slideshow videos, promotional content, and more. And there you have it, the top 5 free online AI video editing software tools. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to SaaS Talk for more awesome content. Drop a comment below letting me know which software you're excited to try out. Until next time, goodbye.